All right, good morning everyone. This is a video to help you on your Unit 1 writing assignment. So this is a problem that looks almost identical to the problem that you have for your Unit 1 writing assignment. So I hope this is really helpful for you. So the first thing we're going to do is solve the following inequality, and it says 4x minus 3x minus 3 is greater than negative 2x plus 9. And then we also need to write out our steps for solving this inequality. So what I'm going to do, what I find easiest to do is, as I do each step over here on the left, I'm just going to write a quick little note over here on the right to explain what I did. So if you notice, right here outside the parentheses, we have a negative sign. So that means this negative, it's like a negative 1. It has to get distributed to both the 3x and the negative 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute my negative. Distribute the negative. Okay, and so that will look like 4x, negative 1 times negative 3x will be negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 3 will be positive 3. And then I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem. So negative 2x plus 9. All right, so now the second thing that I need to do, you'll see over here, I have 4x minus 3x. So what I'm going to do is combine those like terms. So step 2 is going to be to combine like terms. And if you want to be really specific, you can say that you're combining 4x minus 3x. That's up to you. So if I have 4x's and I subtract 3x's, I'm going to be left with 1x or just x. So now I have x plus 3 is greater than negative 2x plus 9. So remember, I need to get all my variables on one side. So if you have one side that has a negative, it's easiest to move that variable because now you get to add. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So my step 3 would be add 2x. So 1x plus 2x would give me 3x. And I'm going to rewrite the rest of my problem. All right, so my fourth step here, I want to get x by itself, but right now I have this plus 3, so I need to do the opposite, which is to subtract 3. So I'm going to get 3x is greater than 6. And again, we need x by itself, so now what I'm going to do is divide by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides, and I'm going to get that x is greater than 2. Okay, and that was my last step. So now the last thing I need to do, this will be on the second slide of your writing assignment. You want to graph your number or your solution on a number line. So I'm going to put 0 in the middle, and I'll go over to 2, up to 3, 4. Okay, you don't have to do quite this many numbers, but it's up to you. So I want to, first of all, put a circle. I'm going to do this in blue so that it's a little bit different. My solution here would be 2. So where the positive 2 is, I'm going to put a circle. And I'm actually going to leave this circle open because my sign is just a greater than sign. If it was greater than or equal to, then I would color this blue circle in. But because it's greater than, I'm going to leave it open. Okay, and I want x is greater than 2. So I'm going to shade to the right because that's where all the x values would be greater than 2. And that's it.